Happy New Year, everyone. As we kick off 2026 with a bang, let's explore some of last term's Purple Mash highlights. Firstly, something we are so excited about, introducing group working mode, which is designed to support collaboration and help schools teach quality computing lessons, even if devices are limited. With group working enabled, up to 6 children can work together on the same to-do activity on a single device, with work saved separately for each child. So as well as pupils being able to collaborate on projects, each child can still have their own version of the work, a record of their progress, and a piece of work they can revisit and continue independently. The 2025 Purple Mash Festive card competition was a huge success once again. We received over 8,000 entries from schools worldwide across 4 age groups as well as a school staff category. There was so much variety and talent on show, and our Purple Mash elves really enjoyed reviewing the designs. Winners each received 50 printed copies of their card designs, a £20 Amazon voucher and a goodie bag. In the leadership area, we have 2 new toolkits available to support schools with their approach to AI and climate action planning. The AI pack includes a collection of invaluable tools such as key action points, a staff meeting presentation, an acceptable use agreement exemplar, and guidance on building your school's AI policy. The Climate Action Plan Toolkit is designed to support schools in taking meaningful steps towards sustainability and climate responsibility. Whether you are just starting your climate journey or already have practices in place, the toolkit provides practical tools, templates, and guidance to embed climate action across your school community. The AI feature within 2Quiz is now available to all schools as an add-on which allows teachers to quickly create curriculum-aligned quiz questions. The AI-generated quizzes can then be immediately assigned as to-dos for your whole class, small groups or individuals, and automatically marked with scores being fed into the data dashboard. This seamless flow from quiz creation to grading makes it easy for teachers to track student progress in real time and eliminates the need for manual marking and feedback. We have an exciting new set of educational workbooks featuring our favourite characters, Wallace and Gromit, Peanuts and Angry Birds. These workbooks featuring Purple Mash resources are designed to make learning fun for all primary age groups in reading and writing, grammar and vocabulary, spelling and punctuation, handwriting and more. Look out for them in your local Lidl store. To be safe, our brilliant online safety scheme is now even better with new parent guides. These information pages outline the 8 key themes within To Be Safe, which is designed to equip children and young people for digital life and is mapped to the Education for a Connected World framework. These helpful guides can be shared with parents or added to your school website to help parents support the learning at home and equip them for conversations with their children about staying safe online. We celebrated Outdoor Classroom Day in November with a collection of Purple Mash activities and resources designed to fully embed year-round outdoor learning across the curriculum. Included in the outdoor learning area are activities for all seasons to stimulate exploration and discovery outside of the school building. From scavenger hunts and pond dipping to bird song identification and a mini beast hunt, by taking subjects outside the classroom, pupils have the opportunity to be hands-on with their learning whilst developing independence, problem-solving skills and teamwork. The Grammar for Writing scheme continued to grow last term with the release of more units. These grammar resources are a fun, engaging and interactive way for children to learn the statutory grammar, vocabulary and punctuation terminology for their year level. Resources can be accessed either by year level or by theme, which relates to specific areas of grammar such as prefixes, suffixes, parts of speech and many others. In September, Purple Mash Publishing released Ivor Baddiel and Johnny Zucker's 6th book, Brainchild. And we are very proud that Brainchild is the first title that supports the Children's Book Project, a charity that donates books to underprivileged children. To celebrate National Authors Day in November, we hosted several live author workshops with Ivor Baddiel. Children were able to chat with Ivor as he shared his experiences of being an author and offered practical ideas to inspire budding writers, as well as hearing an excerpt from Brainchild. There is nothing quite like the power of a good story to entertain, educate, uplift and shape us as people, and Purple Mash has a plethora of tools and resources to inspire the storytellers in your school. Look out for lots more happening in Purple Mash.